welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September 2019. I wasn't really thrilled with Ipsy this month, but usually I'm very happy with them. I ended up getting damaged product. I ended up getting a product that I just did not want to get, and I made sure it was in my reviews and my profile, but I still got it. So I was really upset and like disappointed, but when I reached out, they kind of made everything better. So at the end of it, I was very happy. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. I'm also going to show you what's in my regular Ipsy bag, which is $10 a month, but starting in October, it is going up to $12 a month, unless you purchase a yearly subscription up front. And then I believe they're still doing that promotion that you'll be able to keep it at the $10, but you're paying upfront. Still very, very good because the value is always, I think, great. In the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you're always getting the 5 full-size products, but the Ipsy Glam Bag, you do get a mix, mostly like travel size, but you do get a few full-size products. One of the things I love about Ipsy is that you can purchase add-ons for either $3 or $12, depending on if it's a sample or full size. And you used to only be able to pick 3, but now you can pick 5, which is great. And then starting in October, we're going to be able to pick one of our products in both the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the regular Ipsy bag. So I love that we're going to be able to pick a product. And the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is going to start including a bag again. Remember when they first started, they did include a bag and then they stopped that, but now it looks like they're bringing the bag back. But it is going to be the same as the Ipsy Glam bag, but it's just going to be a larger version. And they did come out with a new subscription option. It is called the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Now it's $50 a month, and to me, it's just, that's a lot of money for a monthly subscription. I do think it would be great if, number one, if it's a quarterly subscription, or if you could choose it to be a quarterly subscription, or if you're gonna pick one box and that's it, then that sounds great because you're getting 8 full-size products and then 4 samples. It's a lot of products. So if I didn't get all these other boxes that I really love to get, then the Glam Bag Ultimate would be the one I would wanna go with. But I will show you what's in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus first, and I'll show you the product that I'm not happy with first. I used to get a much larger card. The products would be like on their own pages and a really nice description and tips and tricks and all that, but I don't know, now they're just giving us this little card. On the back now is the information on the new changes that I was explaining. So choose a product every month. So beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 Glam Bag Plus products. Then we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. So save the date. All right, so good to know, September 24th. New Glam Bag, you asked, we listened. We heard our Glam Bag Plus members have been missing the actual bag. Well, guess what? It's back and you're gonna love it. And now you can pick up to 5 add-ons. Now, the first product that I was just not happy with is this Illamasqua Anti-Matter Lipstick. The shade I received is in Midnight. Now, they did have 2 other shades that you could have received, but of course, I got the shade that I will not wear. When I received this, I was just so pissed, honestly, because I've said it over and over again. I don't want lip products, and I don't want red lip products if I'm gonna get any. And I reached out to them, and Ipsy was great about it. So they said that even if you say you don't want a lip product, or even if you say that you might want a nude lip product, but not a red, they cannot pick the shade for you. It's either, if you're gonna get a lip product, you're gonna randomly get that shade, that they cannot pick the shade for you. So if you say, oh, I like nudes, but I don't like reds, because you do have lipsticks on there, you're gonna get a random shade. So that's why I ended up getting a shade that I will not wear. Because as you can see, I mean, it's a red shade, it's pretty, but it's just not for me. I don't like reds at all. So I will end up giving this away. I'm not going to swatch it. Because I also told them that, you know, I get nail polishes, and last month I got 2 nail polishes in my regular bag and this box. They told me I could completely opt out of the product if I want to. So I was able to opt out of lip products altogether, which I am more than fine with, and also nail polish. So I never have to worry about getting a lipstick or a nail polish ever again, unless I tell them, hey, can you know, put lip products back in my box. This lipstick, though, it is valued at $27, so it is pricey. I was so excited to get this Ofra Cosmetics and Madison Miller Squad palette. This is supposed to be valued at $35, and it has a blush, and then it has 2 highlighters. And when I opened this up, I didn't notice it at first. The pans are completely coming out of the palette. And it's not that it's like, oh, the glue melted in transit or that it was hot or anything, but no, the glue is actually still stuck on there because I can't pull it off completely. So if you can see that, this one, same thing, you know, I'm able to pull it out, but I kind of was able to push it back in, but you can't bring this anywhere. I don't know if this one is even stuck in there or if it's just, you know, this one might be okay, but yeah, these two pans, awful. So I reached out to Ipsy and I am waiting for them to get back to me. So the next thing that I was pretty excited about, but now I don't think it's my shade, is the Allure Beauty Frame Your Face Brow Pencil in dark brown. This is valued at $21 and I always could use a brow pencil, and I actually been wanting to try this, but when I realized at Sephora that they only had dark brown as their darkest shade, I decided against it. What I do like is that on one side it actually labels it pencil, and then on the other side it'll say spoolie. So I do like, you know, that it's labeled. It's a very, very, very small tip, which I love because like the Precisely My Brow, you know, I do like how precise it is. I do like the thinner pencils. It seems very light. My brows are near black, so this seems light. I had swatched it over here earlier, and it stayed on, and I did that on purpose. I wanted to see, you know, test it and see how it works, but this makes it look more like red undertones. I think you can darken it up if you need to, so I'm gonna keep it. So I received this Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I was really excited to get this because I've been wanting to try it. I love Glam Glow products, and I actually really like their cleansers. This is valued at $34, and it's a big size. It's 5 ounces. And it says it is formulated with their signature teoxy, green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and acai. Exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined glowing complexion, and it's actually good to be used every day. Then the last full-size product in here was the Sept London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I love getting powders. I am on powder overload, but I do like to use a setting powder every single day since I do have more oily skin. I actually tried a sample of this a while back. It's a pretty good powder. I used the whole sample up. I love Sept's packaging. It's always very whimsical looking. It has a little bow and the stars, and it's just a very pretty package, and it's just a white translucent powder. So I always like having a different powder on hand. And then I only purchased one add-on, and it was from this brand that I'm not even gonna try to pronounce, but C'est Moi, I guess, I don't know. But it's a Reflect lip gloss in the shade Opulence. They had 2 you can choose from, but I always like these types. It's supposed to be more on like a clearer side. It just has a little bit of shimmer to it, but it's more like a nude shade. I love it. I think it's very, very pretty. Packaging is very, very pretty as well. It has like these little diamond cutouts, and this was only $3, so I thought that was a great price. Total value of my box, not including this little lip gloss, is $139. Still an amazing value for a $25 a month box. Let me show you my regular Ipsy bag real quick. Look at this bag. I love this bag. Look at the little crystal, which obviously it's not a real crystal, it's plastic, but look how cute that is. And look at the constellations. It's just such a pretty bag. It says Ipsy, like midnight blue on the inside. So a beautiful bag. I love this. This I'm gonna use immediately, like as soon as I'm done with this video. But I only purchased 3 add-ons. And the first one, I've been dying to try this Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced, but obviously I have so many mascaras, I'm not going to purchase a full size. So when I saw this was $3, I had to try it, I had to get it. And then I got this Milani Make It Last Matte Finish Charcoal Setting Spray, and it's actually larger than I thought, so this was $3 as well. And then I got one of Madison Miller and Ofra's lip products. I really wanted to try this one, which is Smiley for Riley. Now, the first product in the bag was this Farrah brush. Now, if you notice, this Farrah brush here looks a lot like the Luxie brush that I have. Now I have two Luxie brushes that look so much like this. It has this little like lip here to kind of help you get a precise application. It has like the matte black, and it is a contour brush. So this is a small contour brush. You get the same card with the same theme and then your products. So then I got really excited to see that I got one of Madison Miller's blushes in here. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Ofra and Madison Sweet Stuff blush. So she came out with two blush shades. This one is the Sweet Stuff blush, which is like a pinky shade, and then she came out with like a corally shade. This is actually the same shade that is in that little palette that I got in my Plus. I'm not very impressed with the quality of these products, because even with this, if you can see, there's like an indentation. Now I don't think that's a finger swatch. I think it just kind of sunk in. If you can see how that's kind of just like sunk it in. I don't know, let me know what you think that is. This is from a brand I never heard of. It's called Lock Color. It's the Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. It's just a gel-like primer, and it's supposed to keep your skin nice and hydrated, gives a good moisture boost. So I do like hydrating primers lately. Even though I have oily skin, I feel like these kind of keep my makeup on longer, so I always love a primer. And then I ended up getting this Purlisse Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polish and peel. I don't think I've tried this. I love Purlisse products, and I love this watermelon moisturizer. I'm so mad I didn't buy it when I had the chance to get the smaller size, but this is a vitamin-rich gel exfoliator. Uses watermelon, aloe vera, and cucumber to smooth, brighten, protect, and nourish your skin. And then the last but not least is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love this. I've had this a bunch of times. I actually purchased the travel size, which was like $22. Lasted me a long time though. But this is a great mask. It smells so good, just like their moisturizer. You can actually use this as either a wash-off mask, or you can use it as an overnight mask. I like to use it as an overnight mask, but I might try it as a wash-off mask. You would just put it all over your face and then let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse. And then for at night, you would just pat it into your skin, rinse off in the morning. It's very important though that you do just pat it on your skin, because if you have products on underneath, like serums, moisturizers, things like that, it will ball up. But that's it, everybody. Just wanted to show you my regular Ipsy bag with my Glam Bag Plus for September 2019. Let me know what you guys got down below. Let me know what you think about the Ofra and Madison Miller collection. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. But until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.